Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this marijuana test strip, and these were sent to us by Areta for us to check out. So let's go ahead, crack this open, and see what all we have inside. Now, I did have my buddy go ahead and try these out. He is a user of this stuff right here, and it did pop positive for him. So I know that they do work. You're also going to get these cool little cups right here for your samples, which is great because most of these do not include that. And then, of course, you're going to get 15 of these strips right here. They're really small strips compared to some of the other ones that I've tested. So whenever you open this up, you're going to be like, man, there's nothing inside of here. But don't worry, they are inside of there. They're just really tiny. So you got to kind of, there we go. Right there, little bitty guy right there. And then you just dip and it's going to give you your results. Like I said, it has the instructions and everything in here to show you how to use them. And then right there you go, there are the instructions. It tells you just to dip it in there, and you're supposed to read the results within 5 minutes. A lot of the tests are actually the opposite way. You have to wait 5 minutes. This one here, you need to read within 5 minutes. So overall, really cool thing right here. Great deal. You're gonna get a whole bunch of strips. It's nice, compact, small little box here because the strips themselves are small and they work really well. Like I said, we did test them out, and I also tested it out myself, and I am not a person that partakes in this stuff. So if you're interested in something like this, go ahead and check it out.